How to turn on or turn off Safe Search on iPhone Safari. So in order to do this, we need to make use of the screen time feature. So go ahead and open the settings application on your iPhone. In here, scroll down and tap on screen time. Once you are in this page, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now toggle the switch next to content and privacy restrictions to enable it. Once you are here, select content restrictions. Under the web content section, tap on the single option here, which is the web content. Now in here, you have three options. First one is the unrestricted, which means that every site will be opened and the safe search is not turned on. Next is the limit adult websites. In here, you can specifically add websites you will always allow and websites that you will never allow, thus turning on the safe search mode. And lastly, the allowed website. In here, you can only add websites that is listed in here. If a website is not added, it will not be opened. Please note that enabling safe search helps filter explicit content from search results, but is not foolproof and may not block all inappropriate content. So that is how to turn on or turn off safe search on iPhone Safari. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.